For Algebra 1, Section 9.6, number 5, one thing that I want to point out is when you factor something like 6t squared plus 25t plus 11, we have to have factors of 6 and factors of 11. So if I break this up into factors of 6, I can do 6 and 1t, or so it'd be 6t and t. And then what I could do is I could see what my factors of 11 are, which would be 1 and 11. And because I have a positive here and a positive here, I know that both of these are going to be a positive. So if I just do 1 and 11, now I'm going to set up another factor and just double check to see. So I could do 6t plus 11 and t plus 1 as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double check and see if I do my first, or my outside terms essentially, this is going to give me 66t plus, and then I'm going to have my inside terms, which is 1. So this is going to give me 67t, which is not what I want. So I can cross this one off. And then I can do the same thing with the one below. So this is going to give me 6t plus 11t, and 6 plus 11 is going to give me 17. So again, it's not the 25t that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and try to find another set. Now, because 11 is a prime number, I know that I'm not going to have to adjust my 11. My factors for 11 are just going to be 1 and 11. What this tells me, though, is I'm probably going to have to look at different factors of 6. So to look at factors of 6, now I'm going to look at 2t and 3t, and then I have my plus 1 and plus 11, and then I'm also going to look to see maybe 2t plus 11 and 3t plus 1. That maybe one of these would be an option as well. So again, I'm going to double check my outside terms. So 2t times 11 is 22t, plus 1 times 3 is going to give me 3. So that right there gives me 25t, which is exactly what I want. So I don't even have to test this one. I know that my factors are going to be 2t plus 1 and 3t plus 11 are going to give me 6t squared plus 25t plus 11. Hopefully this helps clarify a few things. I just want to make sure that you remember to double check that your middle term is going to come out right. And remember that, and by middle term, I mean like this term here. Your middle term comes from taking the outside terms and adding them to the inside, or the products of the outside terms and adding them to the products of the inside terms.